Hey, so have you ever wondered what it would be like to join Y2V on a project?
I would. We haven't done a project in a while. Actually, we haven't released a video in about a year, so stick around, keep watching. This is Dania Beach, Florida. We're getting a wet start. Take a look. It is really coming down here in South Florida. Up there is Fort Lauderdale. Hollywood is over here. The airport's over here. Miami's down there. And it is wet, wet, wet. But we're already getting people coming in. Look.
Yep, half our team is already here. We're still waiting on the other half, and hopefully they make it in here dry. So we've got a lot of really good projects. We're redecking and restringing the marina boardwalk. Got lots of other odds and ends.
This is really cool because this is the first time we've ever done a project where we can actually literally touch the Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean! This is gonna be our biggest issue. You can see everything's really rotted out just from all of the salt water. So the pilings look okay, but once we've taken the other stringers out, the holes are just rotted. So we're gonna have to reposition the actual deck boards. Today we've got so much going on. There's boats being launched, yachts going by, cruise ships and cargo ships coming in, and then all of us guys hustling in the background. It is all coming together. It's picnic tables and boardwalks and cleaning up and rust prevention. So this is an awesome day and we are getting it done.
On Whiskey Creek here. State Park is here, and the ocean is over there. She's got the winning ticket.
Hey there, happy Monday. Check out what's going on behind me. These guys are going to finish this up today. Meanwhile, down here at this end, we've got a couple of guys doing a repair to the other side of the marina. Hey there, it is is another great, beautiful day here in Dania Beach. We have been just moving and shaking. We finished up the Marina Boardwalk yesterday and did an additional repair on a different section of the marina. Our picnic table anchoring team finished up what they were doing, so they have now moved on to the beach warning flag posts. They're doing some repairs on that. We've got the painting team continuing. We've got the picnic table continuing. We've started building a fence, and we are continuing on building some more picnic tables as well. So everybody here is just hopping. We've got 4 more days left, and we are gonna make them good ones so we can make a huge positive impact on this park. It has been great. Everyone's having a good time. We've had wonderful weather, and we're gonna keep rocking.
Of course,
Cut!
the moment that I decide I wanted an action shot of Craig sawing, he just buries the blade into the wood.
It is buried too, look. We've had a little trouble.
Almost done.
Yeah, we're on day 8, and it looks so good. Check out this beautiful marina.
They started this yesterday, and they just got done. They built a fence.
This is awesome.
That was fast. Get you guys all leaning on the fence.
Don't lean too hard.
Not bad, you guys.
Oh, you know what might be funny? Do you guys remember?
All right, Rose, count tables.
All right, let's see. 2, 4, 15.
15.
So,
And they think they can get 20 done today, and that'll do it for that.
and that'll wrap up the picnic table project.
And then we also have the flagpoles on the beach.
Flag posts. We're trying to do the nesting turtle posts. We'll see about that.
The crew has done all the legs for the picnic tables, the aluminum picnic tables in the pavilions. They're actually steel legs on the aluminum tables, so they were corroded. And they have just about wrapped up all of that.
Yep. The admin building is getting all the windows recaulked, and the south side that faces the sun all the time is getting repainted.
And only a YouTuber would understand that it'd be terrible to run a piece of equipment behind a camera. Good job, George. Thanks, man.
Okay, we built the marina, replaced the stringers and all of the deck boards. We did a north end repair on the marina. We treated, scraped, and painted 51 pavilion tables. We built 21 brand new picnic tables. We replaced all the posts for the turtle nesting area. We did all the caulking on all of the windows on all of the park buildings. We put up the park manager's fence. We trimmed and landscaped the barrier island trail. We built a new marina bench. We painted the south side and trimmed the admin building. We pressure washed the marina decks, and we replaced the warning flag posts over at the beach for the warning flag. So 12 items off of their list, many of which got added after we got here because they saw how fast and awesome we are. So well done, great job. 12 good projects, and we'll find out what our hours are here in just a minute. We put in 1,242 hours, and we got over 50,000 hours, 50,022 hours, and that is a huge milestone for us.
Thanks for being a good neighbor.
Isn't it cool? It's just like how long they ship right there.
That Dutch flag right there.
Yeah, that was a really fun and beautiful project.
Totally was. I could do without the cruise ships.
And airplanes.
And airplanes. The airplanes were noisy. The cruise ships, you just wanted to be on one, right?
Yeah.
It was awesome. Yeah.
If you're interested in joining us, go to our website, ayeartovolunteer.com. At the bottom of every page, there's a sign up for our newsletter option. And on our website, there's an upcoming tab where you can find out where we're going and what we're doing.
And check it out. We got 2 projects that are on the books right now with availability for some repeaters and newbies. We're doing the Northeast in 2025, and we want you guys to come with us.
As always, give us the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends.
See you later, everybody.
Bye.